Let me see if I can get in front of the camera here so you can see what I'm talking about. This bottom line. You can speed it up and slow it down, how fast they flash. I think this line here is the brightness, the middle one. Let's make them stop. Let me see. Let me just go red. Yeah, see how bright that is? You see how it brightened it up? And you can even, on single colors, you can even make them flash. It's pretty awesome. Blue, green, orange. Let's see, let's brighten this back up. Bring that back down. Bring that up. That's pretty awesome, ain't it?
Make it cool, MICTUNING.